we will lose this one first. It's a filler plug here. You don't need any wrench because the plug is a square socket. Dip here. Okay, always turn to the left and to move something. Okay, left this way. Okay, that's it. It's loose now. Okay, okay. Okay. You need just press on hold. Okay, after it break by using breaker bar, and then we use ratchet here to take over here. Okay, see this? Okay. See this? Head underneath just in case. I don't expect nothing come out here. Yeah. This is the filler plug. Okay, not much. You see the washer still there? That's a cross washer. Okay. Yeah. That we took out the filler plug. Next we will work on drain plug on the other side. Stop it.